Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2023 Case IH 150 MAXXUM tractor. This is an Activate, which means it's got the full power shift. There's no levers to switch ranges. You just pull the trigger on the lever, or the control lever, and pop it up to all, I think it's 19 full speed, or 19 speeds. 3-point PTO, 540,000. It's set up with 1,000. You can flip it around and get a 540, 18.4 42s. Tires look perfect. I'm here in Amboy, Illinois. We traded it in from a pretty good sized outfit that rolls a lot of these tractors. 350 hours on this unit, so you know, it's about as like new as you can ask for. The paint is good. There's not a bunch of dents or anything on it. The warranty, I think, was started, we'll look it up but confirm, but it started in July or August of 23, so it's good until August of 25. You can buy an extended warranty if you wish. The spec sheet is, or the build sheet is posted in the service log, so if you want to see how it was originally ordered, you can find that in the service log area. It is guidance ready. The doesn't have a screen. I saw that. Leather seats. There's the power shift for the speed control. Forward shuttle. There were 4 remotes. We'll fire it up here. And handbrake right here. And we'll put them forward, and it happens to be in B3 right now. Then just hit the trigger to go a little faster. B4. All right. Now there is a button on the back side that it hit. That gets it into the C range. So once again, you see how we're going everywhere without pushing the clutch or without having to shift the mechanical lever on the side. That's the Activate. Very, very, very nice tractor. I hope this video helps. I appreciate you watching. Oh, I'll get the hours for you in just a second. Sorry. There's 338, so 340 roughly. Thank you very much. Appreciate you watching.